Today we'll start the new chapter, Be Clean. So in this chapter there is a boy who takes a bath because he do not know about how to be clean. So let's move ahead with the chapter. Chapter 8, Be Clean. In this chapter you'll read about how boy takes a bath because he does not know how to be clean. Manu is a little boy. Manu एक छोटे सा boy है. He lives with his parents, जो अपने parents के साथ रहता है. He is so little that he does not know how to be clean. उतना छोटा है कि उसको ये नहीं पता कि साफ कैसे रहते हैं. His mommy has a lot of work to do. अब उसकी mother के पास बहुत सारा काम होता है घर का करने के लिए. She is very busy with her household work. तो वो घर के कामों में बहुत busy रहती है. She cannot give Manu a bath. तो वो उसको बात नहीं करा सकती. I have no time, take a bath yourself, she says. So उन्होंने बोला कि अपने आप नहा लो, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. Manu does not know how to bath. मनु को नहीं पता how to take a bath. One day he looks at the ducks. अब एक दिन वो ducks को देख रहा था. They are in water. वो पानी में, ponds में, pond में जो ducks जो है, they were in the water. Manu jumps into the water for a bath. Now he is all wet. तो वो duck को देखकर वो भी पानी में कूद गया उनके साथ बात नहाने के लिए. अब वो गीला हो गया. I do not know how to get dry, he says. अब मुझे नहीं पता कैसे सुखाना है खुद को. He sees some sparrows. उसने कुछ sparrows को देखा. They are in the dust. वो dust में है, मिट्टी में. He rolls in the dust like them. और उसने sparrows की तरह अपने आप को मिट्टी में रोल कर लिया. Oh no, he's all muddy. अब तो वो सारा मिट्टी से भर गया. I want to be clean. मुझे clean करो, मुझे साफ होना है, says Manu. He goes home. अब वो घर जाता है. He sees Pussy the cat. और फिर वो cat को देखता है. Pussy is licking herself to clean. और वो अपने आप को साफ कर रही होती है अपने टंग से लिक करके. So Manu begins to lick himself. तो वो भी अपने आप को लिक करना शुरू कर देता है. Gosh, his mouth is full of dirt and dust. अब उसके माउथ में भी डस्ट आ चुकी थी. Through his spits, he is dirty and sad. अब वो डर्टी भी हो गया था और दुखी हो रहा था. Mummy sees Manu. मम्मी ने मनु को देखा. Oh my God, look at you, she says. मदर ने बोला, oh my God, देखो अपने आप को. She takes him into the bathroom. वो उसको बाथरूम में लेके जाती हैं. She gives him a good bath. और उनको अच्छे से नहलाती हैं. With soap and water. She gives him a towel to get dry. और फिर टावल देती हैं ड्राई करने के लिए, सुखाने के लिए पानी को. Manu smiles. वो स्माइल करता है. He is clean and happy. अब वो साफ भी और खुश हो गया है. Now let's do the word basket. Little, small, parents, mother and father, sparrow kind of bird, muddy, with mud or dust, dirt, mud, towel, a cloth to rub the body. Let's do an exercise. Understanding the text. Pronounce correctly parents, know, yourself, jumps, sparrows, licking, towel, smile. Let's do tick the correct option. Manu lives with his parents. Manu does not know how to take bath. The ducks are in the water. Manu jumps into the water for a bath. Let's do fill in the blanks. Now he is all muddy. So Manu begins to dash himself, lick himself. Mummy cannot give Manu a bath. Sparrows are in the dust. Now let's do the true and false. Manu has a lot of work to do. False. Manu does not know how to take a bath. True. Manu is happy when he is dirty. False. In the end, Manu's mother gives him a bath. True. So you all should take a bath daily. Go through the chapter. Revise it. Do the exercises. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.